Ordering a depreciation schedule for your investment property can seem a bit overwhelming, especially if it's your first time. Hi everyone, Tuan Duong, founder of Durotax Quantity Surveyors, here for another video designed to help you become a better property investor. Investors often miss out on the incredible potential savings of claiming tax depreciation deductions because of the common misconception that it's a complicated process. In fact, around 70% of Australians are missing out on depreciation for their property each year. That's more than 2/3 of homeowners. But I'm here to tell you that the good news is that it's a pretty straightforward process. You'll have to supply us with some details about your property and we will do the rest. If you're still feeling unsure, don't worry. In this video, I'm going to show you how to obtain your tax depreciation schedule in 3 easy steps. Before we get into it, we want to be clear that this video is for informational purposes only. In no way should you interpret this as tax advice. We always recommend working with a qualified accountant or tax agent who can give you the best advice for your situation. Step 1. Figuring out if your property qualifies. To start, you might find it useful to use the free Durotax depreciation calculator to estimate how much you can claim. The link is in the bio. This will help you decide if getting a depreciation schedule is worth the while. If it is worth your while, simply give us a call and we will ask you a few questions to qualify your investment property. Some things you should keep handy when answering our questions are the purchase price and the land value, the settlement date, the approximate age of the building, brief details of any addition or renovations that you know of, and a short description of the building itself. In other words, is it a house or an apartment? If I've lost you already, don't worry. We can also find any of the details you may be missing or unsure of just by researching your property's address. If you have a property manager, we'll ask for their details to arrange access to the property to carry out an inspection. Step 2. Order your schedule. If your property qualifies and you feel confident that ordering a depreciation schedule is going to be worth it in the long run, you can give us a call and order it over the phone. Or you can fill out our online order form and we'll start preparing your depreciation report. Just to give you an idea of how our reports have helped other investors, most investors who work with us claim an average of $7,000 in tax deductions in the first year alone. On a typical Australian income tax rate of 30%, that means Durotax's customers are receiving on average $1,950 in tax refund in the first year alone, which makes Durotax's one-off fee of $700 incredible value. And the best part is that our reports costs can also be claimed as a tax deduction. To find out more about all the tax deductions you can claim, check out our video that covers 17 tax deductions you can claim on your investment property. Step 3. Claim your deductions. It'll take about 5 to 10 business days to finish off your personalised report. All you have to do is hand it over to your accountant and they will submit the results in your tax return each financial year. If you would like, we can even send a copy directly to your accountant on your behalf to save you the hassle. In our experience, the reports we prepare for our investors average around 15 years because one report could be valid for up to 40 years. So that means with a single report, they're able to make claims of depreciation for 15 years in most cases. And there you have it. In 3 easy steps, you could be potentially saving thousands of dollars each year. If you would like to get in touch with us to order your depreciation schedule today, we linked our online contact form down below. And if you'd like to learn more about tax depreciation and how it can benefit your tax return, make sure to check out some of our other videos on our YouTube channel and subscribe for even more content. I'm Tuan Duong. I'll see you next time.